The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new page, and to do that we're going to go to the button called Create Page. We're going to click it, and when we get there we're going to get a page similar to this one, and the first thing we're going to do is under the selected templates we're just going to use a plain old web page. We're going to give it a name, and in this case my text file. And now the navigation, which we'll talk more about later, but for now what we're going to do is we're going to move it so that it's under the home page, and we'll see what that does when we create the page. So click Create Page, and it's going to take us to our new page, and it automatically opens the text editor. Now we can edit, but we're going to save it because now we want to look at customizing our page. And now we're going to look at the third menu choice on the top right hand side of the page, and that's More Actions. And in More Actions we're going to look at Manage Site. And then Manage Site on the left hand side we're going to choose Colors and Fonts. And once we're there, we're going to notice we have a preview pane in the bottom and a menu pane in the top of the page. We're going to look at the menu pane at the top of the page and notice that it has headers, entire page, site header, content area, sidebar gadgets, and navigation gadgets. We're going to look at the first header, which is the entire page, and we're going to look at the background color of the page. So right now it's set to default theme. We're going to click on Custom. And in this case, I'm going to click on this blue-green color here. And you notice right away the changes take effect. And now we're going to look at changing the font on the entire page. To do that, we're going to click on Page Font. And notice this time now, we're using the default theme, but we do have a bunch of selections of different fonts below. I want you to try clicking on each of them as you go through and do this yourself and see which one you like best. It's not a lot of choices, but at least you can make some changes. I like Courier New. So I'm going to check that one. And now we're going to look at changing the site title, which is at the top. And I want to, because it's a pretty serious issue, use red. And notice right away, again, the changes take place. And now I want to change the background color. And I'm going to go with something similar to the background of the page, maybe a little darker. There you go. So, and I also like the way the blue background highlights the red text. Now we're going to save our changes, so go to the top of the page, left-hand side, and click Save Changes. And from there we're going to click on Return to My Site, and that way we'll be able to see the changes. Notice that the changes have taken effect to the whole site. Now we're going to look at another easier way to make major changes to our site. And again, we're going to go to More Actions and Manage Site. And this time on the left-hand side, we're going to choose Themes. And notice when you do that, a page opens up illustrating a multitude of different themes that you can choose from. I like the one called Legal Pad, so I'm going to select that one. And again, we're going to save our changes. And after that, we're going to click on Return to Site. And voila, easily we can see with a few clicks, we've made some major changes to our site.